Hello, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you a project that I built, another one, but first I want to talk about my inspiration for making this in the first place. I was standing over by my video games where I store a lot of them on a shelf, and I was just looking through them, and I saw Prison Architect for the PS4. I was looking at it, I was thinking about it, and then my thoughts kind of shifted towards a hotel and thought I should make a hotel management system. And then I saw a loose cart for the Virtual Boy and thought, all right, that's it. And what did I do? I made a Virtual Boy UI themed hotel management system. So let's get right into it. Here's VS Code. I've got everything open. I of course don't have the node modules opened up. There's no I mean there's so many. But with all that aside, there's a good amount going on over here. This is my first project I've made using SQLite. I've always used Postgres and MongoDB in the past, but here it is. Let's get right into it. Okay. Oh, red. That makes me think of, I believe it's Eastern Washington football team. Their home turf is red. It's kind of wild. All right, I'm going to CD into the back end. Okay, npm run dev. Let's fire this up. All right, the back end is fired up. Now let's spin up the front end. Okay, there it is. This is my virtual hotel management system. And all thanks to the loose virtual game cart I saw on my game shelf. That's why you see what you see. I remember playing the Virtual Boy back in the day. I don't have one anymore. And really I should say it was more the family Virtual Boy, you know, but I very much so remember playing it because sore neck, sore back, a cramp somewhere, a pain somewhere you didn't even know was possible, and about 9 gallons of aspirin, blurred vision. Anyway, so here it is. Here's the hotel slowly spinning. The reason I did this is because of my last project. I thought, okay, I was thinking about the hydrogen atom. You were able to move that model around and look at it, zoom in and out. Well, that's what you can do with this as well. The reason I did this is because I thought it'd be kind of it's a bit ridiculous, but at the same time I thought, no. This is the hotel. You can see the different floors. There's the bottom floor, middle floor, there's the top floor. Why not? And I have live control. Got a hotel full of guests. I can make it go the other way if I want. Spin it really fast. All right, I'm having too much fun. Anyways, there's the hotel. Let me zoom it out a little bit. Okay, let's take a look. Up here at the top, you've got total rooms, occupied, available, check-ins, check-outs, occupancy, and revenue. Click on rooms. Okay, now you have the room management. Up here, you can look at the vacant, occupied, cleaning, maintenance. Let's do just that. Here's all the vacant rooms. You know this because if you see my cursor, you'll see it says vacant right there. Okay, now we go to occupied. You see this one, it's blinking. If I click on it, It's occupied. Looks like this room comes with Wi-Fi, TV, and a minibar. There we go. Let's go to cleaning. We've got a couple that are being cleaned. Maintenance. We have a couple that are receiving maintenance. Let's click on all. Let's click on room 302. The reason I clicked on room 302 is because this room you get a lot more. You get Wi-Fi, TV, minibar, balcony, jacuzzi, city view, and a kitchen. Okay. So you can just go through here and see what's what. Let's click on guests. Now I already did some, as you can see. John Smith, there's me, Justin Nerd Science. I did a Marty McFly. Just random names that came to my head, so I punched them in. Sarah Davis, Michael Brown, right? And if I click on, let's see, where am I at? Oh, right here. If I click on me, for example, then I can edit details if I need, and I can see, more information about that guest. Address, I've got 321 Contact, Molecular Drive, Computer Town, 12340. Okay. Let's go, and I can do new. Let's do a new guest. Let's do Sam, random guest, email. Email is email at email.com. Wow. Phone 2323232. I don't know. Okay. Just making this up. Let's say address, we'll do 234 Code Avenue. All right, whatever. Create. And then, of course, I can easily look up a guest as well. If I do Marty, for example, there's Marty McFly. If I do me, Justin, there I show up. Do code, there's code is cool. I could do, did I do it like that? Yep, there's, oh, I spelled it wrong. There's Sarah Davis. So you can look them up that way. Here's bookings. You can see here you've got your bookings. January 11th, 26. Guest ID total $2,100. You've got $960, $80, so on and so on. Wanted to take a look here at something because there are some more features I would like to add to this. I just don't know how how deep I want to get into this. Go back to dashboard. Yeah. Oops, I zoomed out. Yeah, there we go. Zoom back in. There's the hotel moving along. Okay. Well, that's what I really wanted to do. I wanted to make a hotel management system with a UI that looks like this. I did another all red project in the past. It was my trying to remember, what did I call it? Here, I'll just do this. Oh yeah, Crimson Redline. That's right. That was a project I made in the past. Oops, I thought I was holding on to it. There we go. Okay. Well, it was fun stuff. Oops, I did not mean to do that. I meant to do that. And then if you look up here, when I go back, they all come dropping in. Pretty cool. I'm going to click on this one really quick. Yeah, it's kind of cool. I had fun making it, and it wasn't really uh, crazy difficult to make. It was just, like most code projects, they're time consuming. They take a while. And then you got to go back and start dotting your I's and crossing your T's, like this, for example, here, the occupied. At first it didn't blink and thought, that'd be cool to have it blink. Hello, I'm occupied, right? What's another detail I did? Oh, yes. So down here in amenities, I had everything just really generic, just Wi-Fi TV. I didn't even have minibar, added that, and I thought, well, for some rooms I should add more. So that was another thing I went back and did. And guess I didn't have anything. So I just had to make a bunch of stuff up, make it look like it's happening, and then bookings too. So, oh, right, I forgot. You can go through here and you can look at pending, confirmed, checked in, and there's nobody checked out, but that's what I have. That's it. That's my virtual hotel management system thanks to the Virtual Boy video game that's sitting on my shelf behind me. Well, that is it. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video. Take it easy. Take care. See ya.